Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the cleanup document feature on your Galaxy Enhance X app. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use the Galaxy Enhance X, which basically auto crops and cleans up messy receipts or forms which you've taken using your camera. So this basically makes them ready for emailing or saving. So here I've got a photo which I've taken really quickly using my camera. As you can see, I haven't really aligned it. I've just taken it as it was sitting on the table. Now with Galaxy Enhance X, this will basically clean up that document for you. So let me show you how this works. So we'll go ahead and first open up Galaxy Enhance X. Next, we'll tap on select picture or video. We'll go ahead and choose that photo. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on quick fixes. And then from here, we'll go ahead and choose cleanup doc. Apply that effect. As you can see, it has basically cropped it and it has straightened it, so we can basically see it properly. Then we can go ahead and tap on save. And now that image has been saved. So this is what you have taken and this is what it has created for you. So as you can see, it has cleaned up the document. So it auto crops and cleans up messy receipts, documents or forms. So there you go guys. That's how to use the cleanup document feature on Galaxy Enhance X.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.